How can I install USB Prober from the Developer SDK on Mac OS X? I've tried to do some research to figure this out, and per this technical Q&A, USB Prober is installed as part of the Developer SDK installation. If the Developer SDK has been installed, then locate USB Prober at /developer/application/utilities/USB Prober. I'm on Mavericks 10.9 and don't have a /developer/application/utilities folder. My iOS simulator is located here. So I searched in all of the subfolders of /application/xcode.app/content/developer/ and even /application/xcode.app/ but didn't find anything with a name like usbprober.app. I don't see anything in the downloads section of Xcode. How can I install the Developer SDK and get access to the USB Prober utility?
usbprober.app is not included in Xcode. Search for Espamly and download the latest version on the developer page. Installing the package is not recommended as it will overwrite your installed kernel extension, and can cause kernel panics at startup if the version downloaded does not match the OS. Instead, after downloading, mount the downloaded.dmg. Within the folder without the suffix log in the name, right-click on the espamly30.x.x.pkg, and select Show Package Contents. Double-click on contents/archive.pax.gs to unarchive. Unarchived files are typically placed in a folder named Archive. Look within that for devtools/hardware/usbprober.app.
All of those warnings that come with USB Prober scared me away. Instead, I used iOregistry Explorer, and it works fine for me in OS X 10.10.2. In Add Downloads, search for and download the Hardware I/O Tools for Xcode, October 2013. Change I/O to I/O or the search won't match. Open the downloaded disk image. You will find the iOregistry Explorer.app in the package. Connect your USB device. Launch iOregistry Explorer.app. You'll see an outline with hundreds of entries. To find the device you are looking for, you'll need to guess some search terms that describe it, and enter them into the search field. For example, I was looking for an RS-232C device, so I entered RS. When you think you've found the entry for your device, disconnect it. If you are correct, the entry's text will become red strikeout, then if you plug it back in, a new entry will appear in green text, turning to black after a few seconds.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.